Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be trying out KADS Halloween 002 stamping plate. And now, let's peel off the blue protective film. Let's start stamping. I'm using a black stamping polish and a stamper. Then I'm filling the window and door parts with a bright yellow shade. After letting them to dry, I'm applying a fast-drying top coat on my nail. Then I'm stamping the design. Then let's add some bats. To finish this mani, I'm applying a smudge-free top coat. If you want to try out this stamping plate by KADS, the link is available on the description box below. And never forget to use my 10% discount coupon code. It's KADS honeycrunch321. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on my official social media pages. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!